Hi, my name is Jiang Xingjue, and I'll be presenting my work using slides. Now let's dive right into it. For our group assignment, we designed a speaking lesson on persuasive language, where students learn through an instructional TikTok video, practice through a Kahoot quiz, and then create their own TikTok-style selling video with the help of our design worksheet. Now, I want to walk you through 3 multimedia elements we built, 1 technical challenge building them, and what I learned designing them. The first element is our TikTok instructional video. It combines visuals, a live demonstration, and on-screen text showing persuasive techniques in action, so students see the language being used, not just read about it. We kept the video tightly focused, no extra narration or decoration competing with the main point, because we wanted students' attention on the technique being modeled, not on processing unnecessary detail. Now moving on to our second element, which is our interactive quiz using the website Kahoot. After watching the video, students identify and apply persuasive techniques in short practice items and get immediate feedback on their answers. This sits in the practice stage of our lesson. Students move from recognizing the language to using it themselves before moving on to the real speaking task. Our third element is the worksheet, which uses clear sections, prompts, and checklists to guide students step by step toward creating their own selling video. Breaking the task into stages stop students from being overwhelmed by make a persuasive video as a big one, fake task. Now moving on to our instructional design principles. Our instructional design followed TPAC and PPP. TPAC pushed us to ask for every piece of technology why it was there. The video gave authentic context. The quiz gave structured practice. The worksheet scaffolded production. PPP shaped the sequencing. Present, practice, produce. Cognitive load theory shaped the chunking. We broke video making into smaller steps and used a familiar platform, which is TikTok, so students could focus on the language itself rather than on figuring out the task itself. One of the technical challenges we faced was creating our Kahoot quiz so that it worked the way we intended pedagogically. Beyond learning the platform settings, like timing and question formats, I had to make sure each question matched the right difficulty level and gave useful feedback, and that any images or media I added actually supported the question instead of distracting from it. It took several rounds of testing the quiz myself, adjusting timing, rewarding questions, and tweaking visuals before it felt both functional and pedagogically sound. This experience showed me how much multimedia can make English learning more fun and engaging, and it's shifted how I think about teaching across the board, using short, authentic video formats to build speaking confidence, breaking tasks into smaller scaffolded steps so students aren't overwhelmed, and being more deliberate about cognitive load when I design any material, whether it's for grammar, listening, or writing. That's a look at how we use multimedia and instructional design together to build this speaking lesson. Thank you for listening.